Hi, I'm Ben Beatty, Chief Health Officer here at BGSU with our weekly COVID-19 health update. As we look at this most recent reporting period, we're seeing a very similar number of cases to the previous reporting period. It's a very manageable level for us, and we want to see this continue throughout the rest of the semester. As more and more faculty, staff, and students start to get vaccinated, we expect to see these numbers come down even further, and that'll be a great trend to see. We're trying to make the vaccines as readily available and easy and convenient for all faculty, staff, and students by having clinics at the field house. At the same time, you don't have to specifically plan to be at the field house if you can get an appointment at another provider throughout Wood County. We really encourage you to grab that appointment and get it as soon as you can. When we look at the vaccine formulations, we know that Pfizer is a 2-dose series and so is Moderna. With the Pfizer dose, you would have a scheduled appointment for that second dose 21 days later, and with the Moderna dose, it's 28 days later. The provider that you go to for that first dose will automatically schedule you for that second dose in that exact time frame. If you're getting the Johnson & Johnson formulation, that's just a one-time shot, and you wouldn't have to worry about that second dose. So continue to have patience and look for those appointment slots. We're going to get a large quantity of vaccines coming in over the next several weeks, and I think we're really going to start to be able to meet some of this demand. And then we'll also be able to start to see our case numbers come down, and that'll be a great thing to see once we get to a very low level of cases with a large majority of people being immunized. Thank you for all that you've been doing throughout this semester to keep yourself and your loved ones safe.